In this tutorial, I will be walking you through the basics of creating a very basic mod. I made a list of all the things you need from modding the Switch until creating and installing your mods. So just pause the video. I don't think this fits all in the description box. So I'm gonna show you what is on my Switch SD card. Here we have the root folder, and here I created this Switch folder, and in this are going the keys you dumped with the lockpick RCM, and you also have in the bootloader payloads stuff that you can access in Hecate via payloads, so you can start atmosphere from Hecate, for example. So this is the Hecate stuff, and homebrew NRN, NRO. Select down from sysnand. From Hecate you can launch atmosphere, and if you installed an XDump tool you can launch from atmosphere and XDump tool and dump your game. So first you need to unpack the NSP file to NCA and then run the hack tool exe again to unpack all the folders. So it's really unpacking madness. Then you should end up with this, and here for example, and it takes a long time, a really long time. Here you have the pack actor folder where I modified the tree branch wrapping, and those ZS files need to be decompressed as well. In this tool you can decompress, and after you made the changes, compress the ZS files again. In Toolbox you can change the values of your decompressed ZS file. You can just right click and edit values. So this is a collection of many items in the inventory UI. You can also open up SWOT specs, etc. and then you just need to compile them again, and then you have your mod. Ryujinx has a really handy feature that displays log information such as murder weapon, which makes it much easier to identify the specific values you need to look for when working with the ZS files in Toolbox. You can also make changes via a code tool with C#. You have to put your ZS files into this exact directory and specify how the output is, and then you run the script and you can inject this into your mod tool. Someone developed this and also made a video about this. How do you get your mod into the game? So you need to install TOTK mod manager. You can just add your mods here, and then go to Ryujinx exe, run it, then you get to this window, then open Ryujinx folder, and here it will automatically create this mods folder under contents and disk number, and here on the ROMFS. You may notice this looks similar to the files wrong folder. That looks similar to this. So if you change something in pack, you have to include your ZS file under pack and actor. And if you change something in cave, for example, you have to put cave here. And you can just also directly put stuff in here. You don't need to always go over the mod manager.